Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting this topic to discuss. We'll be sharing a step-by-step guide on how to become a seller on takealot.com in 2023. So if you're ready to tap into one of the biggest e-commerce platforms in South Africa or even the world, let's just dive in and follow the steps of this tutorial. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser. And of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have or you prefer. Once you open this browser, of course, you'll have to go to this URL section and make sure to go and type uh, takealot.com and hit the enter button. That will take you directly to the home screen or main screen of Takealot website. And of course, the first step to becoming a successful seller on Takealot is conducting thorough research. Of course, start by identifying products with high demand on the platforms and look for niches that are popular and have a potential customers base. Additionally, of course, it's crucial to analyze your competitors to understand the market landscape. So take a note of their pricing, products offering, and customer reviews. So as an example here, of course, if you have an account, you'll have to simply log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, make sure to go and click on register. And of course, you can even register with your Google account or Facebook account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of logging in into or creating your account. Of course, the login also will have even the Google or the Facebook account, so you can do that by your own. So once you're logged in into your account, you'll find yourself on something like this. Of course, you can simply click on my account here and go to my account, and you can simply go and start on creating a list. If you want to create one, you'll be able to do a lot of things on this account. As you can see some orders, and of course, you can even start selling by clicking here on sale on Takealot. As you can see, you can simply see the pricing if you want to start selling, as you can see, and you can simply go and start apply to sell. So here, how can we get in touch? As an example, you'll have to put your first name, last name, email, and phone number. Of course, this phone number is just optional, but the mobile number is not optional. So make sure to go and enter something. It should be accurate as well. So as an example, let me just go and get that here as an example, and here tell out about your business. I'm just going to type here test again, category as an example. I'm just going to do gaming, why not? Of course, the website is just optional, social media optional. I'm just going to vote here no for you. As I said, make sure to answer everything correctly so you will not get banned as soon as possible, because if you didn't answer correctly, of course you'll get banned in a few days. So here, of course, you'll have to put some real things here. And of course, as you can see, you'll have to answer for this business the registration number or individual ID number. Then make sure to fill this business owner and director details, business owner last name, business owner email address, and tell us about the products here. And of course, make sure to enter a description. And do you carry stocks as an example? So make sure to answer these questions. Even the optional one will help you get approved. Your apply for sale will get approved if you answered all these optional questions also. So as you can see here, do you have a physical stores example? Are you a supplier or are you a supplier to retail outlets? Or and of course, the last question is going to be have you had a registered account? So of course, you can have any additional comments here to type, and of course, you can simply click on apply to sell. Once you apply to sell, and of course, while waiting for your approval, as we said, you will have to go and research and make some preparation, as we said before. So make sure to go and do all of those things. Then, of course, you'll have to work on your product presentation and photography also. So once, as an example, you've chosen your products, it's time to create appealing product listing, high quality products images, and play a vital role in attracting customers. Of course, set up a professional photography area with good lighting and a clean backdrop. Of course, you can even take clear, let's photos from different angles and showcase your product effectively. And of course, remember that high quality visuals can make significant impacts on customers' purchasing decisions. Of course, and the step through or the next step, it's going to be once you're approved, simply start like taking your products and uploading them to Takealot. So you can see, of course, the reviews of people, especially if they buy them. And of course, you can even manage your inventory in logistic because that is crucial for a smooth selling experience, of course. So you can keep track, as an example, of your stock level to avoid overselling or running out of products. And you have different fulfillment options, so you can handle it in house, use drop shipping, or collaborate with third-party logistic provider. Efficient packaging, of course, and shipping practices are essential to ensure timely deliveries and customer satisfaction. Of course, and then you will have to have some product listing optimization. So listing your products on Takealot requires attention to details. So use the seller portal to create compelling product listing, write informative and engages, of course, or engaging product description that highlights the unique features and benefits, and optimize your listing with relevant keywords or tags to improve the search visibility, and will optimize listing increases your chance of attracting potential customers. Of course, you can even determine the right pricing strategy because that is crucial also for your success as a takealot.com seller. So you can consider as example factors like products cost, competition, and profit margins. Regularly, of course, you can monitor your sales performance and adjust your price if it's necessary. And additionally, be mindful of financial aspects such as taxes, fees, and payouts. So keep accurate records and stay on top of your financial management. And of course, the customer satisfaction and feedback, you should pay attention to that also because customer satisfaction is the key to building a success business on Takealot. Of course, provide excellent customer service by promotely, of course, responding to inquiries and addressing any issues or concerns, encouraging customers to leave reviews and feedback on your product listing. Of course, positive reviews and ratings can significantly boost your credibility and attract more customers. Then, of course, you can even use some marketing and promotion. So, marketing and promotions, of course, are essential to drive traffic to your product listing, and utilize social media platforms to create awareness about your products and engage with potential customers. And of course, you can collaborate with influencers in your niche to reach a wider audience, as example, and take advantage of Takealot promotional tools and deals to increase visibility and sales. And of course, if you didn't get approved for selling, you can simply go and contact the support, the support of Takealot. You can see or check why they didn't accept you, as an example, and you can work on things that didn't accept you for. So as you can see, start selling on just a few steps. So simply, you'll have to apply for application, as we said before. You will have to wait within 10 business days so you get approval. Then you will have to go and do some registration, onboarding, sales, and growth. It's gonna be pretty simple. We've covered kind of everything, even the advices to success on Takealot. And of course, as I said, once you contact the support, and they, even if it didn't get accepted, once you contact the support, they will tell you why it didn't get accepted. And simply you can work on this stuff and apply again another time. And I wish you get accepted. So there you have it, our comprehensive guide on how to become a seller on Takealot in 2023. Remember, success on the platforms requires dedication, continuous improvement, and adaptability. So go ahead and take the business leap and make your mark in the e-commerce world. And of course, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments section below. Until the next time, happy selling on takealot.com.